In this video, we will talk about views. It is one of the most commonly asked questions in data science interviews. So, what are views? It's a virtual table, or in other words, it's a database object having no values, or an empty database object. It is actually a stored query. Why we need views in the first place? It helps in increasing the reusability of the queries. It helps in simplifying complex queries. For example, a query involving a lot of data transformations and joins. It also helps in data security. For example, if we do not want some group of employees to access some columns in a table, we can create a view for the table without those columns. Let us see views in action. We will use a popular database, IMDb. We know that views are used for usability, simplification of queries, and data security. Let us take the table movie from the database. It has columns such as ID, title, year, date published, duration, country, worldwide gross income, language, and production company. Let us create a view for the table and suppose that we only want a user to see ID, title, year, date published, and duration columns. We will write create view movie details as the view name as, and then we will proceed with the query. Select ID, title, year, date published, duration from movie. And when we run this, we can see on it refreshing, we have a view named movie details with these columns. To retrieve data, we will write a query similar to the one we write for tables. Select star from movie details, which fetches these 5 columns from the movie table. Therefore, this way we can provide this view to the analysts who should not be provided access to other columns. Therefore, this helps in data security. They can use this view to perform their work. Also, this is increased reusability. Suppose we have a very complex query and a query that we often use for our work. The query is very complex in that it involves multiple joins, transformations, and analytical functions. Instead of writing same query again and again, we can create this view, thus simplifying complex queries and increasing reusability.